mean? I'm smoking green up in my limousine. What the fuck you mean? I'm smoking green up in my limousine.
Hey guys, I'm just walking down here to take a piss. I'm gonna get as low as I can. These freaks over here are gonna do a polar plunge, but I have a cold, so I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, I am. Are you coming to like watch me pee or something?
Oh, you're talking to me? Yeah. I thought you were talking to your phone.
Well, did you hear me say I'm going pee?
Yeah, but I was gonna jump in. Okay.
Are you could like go poop over there.
Yeah.
Maybe
No,
use some leaves.
I'm gonna wait.
Okay. Okay. Hopefully there's no one down here. That'd be awkward. Okay. This would be like a little toilet on this rock. Here we go. Someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey. You know me and Jack Daniels got. It'd be awkward if there's like a homeless man down here that just like came out of the bushes. Gotta let it drip for a second. Let the air run through. I'm really proud of myself for getting outside when it's cold, because usually I'm just like, F this cold. I'm moving out. I'm moving to Florida. I'm moving to Arizona. Oh, there's pee running down my leg. But you know, I'm getting outside. Good for me. Oh wow, the fit's looking fine. Oh, look at all those chickens. Wow.
You missed out.
You should come. I'm sick. Good job, guys. You're doing great. It's like, don't you pull up on my family. Woo!
Oh man!
Woo woo! Yo, I don't. Smells like freedom out here. I get the cash and flip it and fumble it, tumble it.
These are the box of defense rounds if you want that goat shred through the body instead of
what
just
body?
Human for defense.
I was gonna ask.
Okay, so I just went pee in the woods and I found this cute little mushroom. Well, as you see right here, this is a shooter device, and I am implanting it into the ground. Bow, bow, bow. Bow, bow,
I really hope that mushroom doesn't affect you.
So, update on the mushroom that I found when I was peeing. I tried to eat it, and then everyone told me to spit it out. So I spit it out, and they're saying it could have been poisonous, but I think we'll find out in the next couple hours, so stay tuned.
Stay tuned on the next episode of...
I don't have an issue.
Okay. I would prefer that you did. Excellent. I figured.
Like, do like Scottish versions.
One of those like Russian. Can you do like sit down and like?
I like this spot a lot.
This is perfect. Like the freedom fairs in it.
Yes.
Okay, let's hear.
What are you holding, Pierce?
Right here we got an exothermic flamethrower. It shoots 25 yards and disintegrates human beings and animals alike.
Oh, very nice.
Hell yeah, brother.
Hell yeah. Yep, there it was.
Just like putting on a show.
I swat a mosquito.
Oh no.
That sucks.
I can like feel the heat. Gosh, that
Kinda nice.
sucks.
Yeah, can you like light up like a little?
You can still hit it.
Yeah.
What tipped over?
Tipped up.
I know, but hit the left side of it.
You got this. Pop off, queen.
Slay. Oh. What am I aiming for?
I don't know. Hit the box. Hit the box. Are you lining up your sights?
I don't know, man. Oh.
Get it! Ah! Oh, it broke.
Yeah, I got it.
I love it when she says.
Pull this shit. Oh, I'm out.
There we go.
That looks so sick on the ground.
I think it was just the old gas or something.
Skippity bop bop bop.
Wait. Oh, that's so cool. You should spray it on the ground. Like sweep it across. No, like across down there and back and forth. That's so sick.
It's like an ocean.
Ocean of fire. A skippity bop ocean.
And then and then kind of like move there.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's sick.
Oh baby! Oh, huh? And now we're safe. And then put the flight switch down. Perfect.
Oh my gosh.
We were lighting campfires.
Do you feel alive?
I yeeted flame. Guys.
The first.
It's like we've actually been pranked here. A guy definitely gave us an extra jar of tannerite and it's not exploding. So if you're listening to this, dude, we do not appreciate the prank and we will get you back next time.
What?
Day that I can stand. The most loneliest day of my life.